Mercedes ML350 W221 engine fuel filter change. So this video shows how to remove and replace the fuel filter. As you can see, disconnecting the fuel inlet and outlet lines, and also there is a hose clamp to release, and I'm just installing the Ryco filter, removing the water separate sensor. There are two O-rings that need to replace. Once you install new two O-rings, you insert the water separator sensor into the new filter. Just give it a good clean, make sure there is no dust or sand, and then it's ready to install into the engine. So once you do the installation, you need to hook up the scan tool and activate the internal fuel pump to bleed the system. Make sure no air before you start it. Turning on the ignition several times also can bleed the air inside the filter. Thanks for watching.